I am Itunu Raimi. I'm an iOS engineer, a mobile engineer working with Katch, a company which I got to know about through Propel. At the company where I work at through Propel, during my recruitment process, Propel was like there all through the process to take me through it. I was I was prepped beforehand for my very first introductory interview, and I would say that preparation actually was very important to me because it actually helped me. It boosted my self confidence, and it actually made me like see my weak points and then places I could like work on to improve on myself. I believe Propel actually empowers tech communities in Nigeria and helps aspiring young engineers and senior engineers to get international remote jobs of their dreams. And if you're lucky, you can actually get a job that would like get you relocated. Yeah, so I believe that Propel is like making a very great impact in the African tech space, like because people are getting access to better job opportunities and not just any type of job opportunity. Like I believe that Propel actually like vets these companies and then make sure that they won't be toxic companies to work in.